There's another tech thing that's coming out that's telling you whether you need flood insurance and how much it's going to cost. In the U.S.
Listening to Central Florida Real Estate Radio on News Radio WFLA Orlando. Now to our studio and your host, local real estate expert and my friend, Laura Petersen.
In the U.S., 41 million homes have a medium to high risk of flooding and aren't protected by flood insurance. So that's another thing that you need to know about and look at and that kind of thing. Basically, it's like when you're looking at a house, we look at what that flood certification and everything is. Most of the houses that are built in Central Florida today, and probably 20, 25, 30 years ago, what they did is that they actually made the houses up high enough that they are definitely not in a flood zone. And we've had challenges with houses that were older that the builder didn't go in there and get that recertification of it, so they were in a flood zone and nobody's ever really tested it to see if it should be out of it. So they do require flood insurance, and I think that that's a lot of what's going on here and everything. But flood insurance can be costly, so you do want to know what it is, and obviously if you live on water, then you're going to have a part of it that is going to be like an A or an AE, flood zone.
Well, what I would recommend is shopping around, because I'm not in a flood zone, believe it or not, even though I'm on water, but it's only $200 and something a year to have the flood insurance, so it might be something just to have, because what I learned is if your roof lifts up, or during the hurricanes, this happened to us I think 10-12 years ago, I was able to have my stuff covered because the roof lifted up and so therefore the water came in. But if the water would have come in through like the door or through the garage door or something like that, and I didn't have flood insurance, nothing would have been covered.